And I'm showing you a haul that I got, makeup haul. I went and got me some makeup, and this is everything I got right here. So I'm going to show you everything. It's a mixture of everything that I got. So, let's see. Okay. So the first thing I got, I needed some primer, and I was told that this setting spray was really good. It's Melanie Mills Hollywood. So I got this right here. I got that, Melanie Mills. So I got that. I'm going to put that there. Put that there. And then, hold on. I got a lot of eyeshadows that I really like that I had to get. So let me show. I got some, let me show you. These are Sassy Jones. They're lip glosses. And I got these too. These are really nice. And let's see. I just like that. See, it's real glossy. And I like the color. And I'm more of the neutral colors. I like the earth tones or the browns and everything. So I like the earth tones and the browns. Let me show you this one. Here's this one here. See? More of the earth tones. Those are the type of colors I like. More of the earth tone colors. So, yeah, I like that. Okay. And then I got this lipstick here. This is Resilient right here. And her lipsticks, you just pop them. So, they just pop. See? You just pop this button right here. And now here goes. This is Resilient. More of the browns and the earth tones. So I like that. And I like how her case is. It's just real glittery. Rose gold colors. And then I got me some concealer. Tarte. So everybody loves Tarte. So I got this, and I got this color. Is, let's see what color. 345 medium sand. So I got that. And then here, I think these are lip liners. I think eyeliners and eyelash, because I like wearing the lashes. So this here is, yeah, these are the lip liners. This is Penny. I tell you, I like the earth tones. So this is Penny, and this is the color right here. This is Penny. So that's Penny. So Penny is let me see. See, it's more like that color. It's hard to tell. I need a piece of paper. I should have had a piece of paper here. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's see, let me try this one here. Hold on. This is Penny's. You know, the colors are more a brownish color. Okay. So this is Penny. So that's Penny. That's Penny. This is Sangria. Sangria or Sangria. Let me see. This is Sangria. It's more like a reddish color undertone to it, I think. But this is looking more brown. Purplish, it looks more purplish. And it's real soft, so the eyeliner, I mean not the eyeliner, the lip liner's really soft. This one is, oh, I think this is just a eyelash glue. Yeah, this is the liner. I think this is the liner glue. Let's see. Yeah, so this is, it's a liner, eyeliner, and a glue in one. So this is the eyeliner and the glue in one. So yeah, it does everything. It's really nice. Liner and glue. So when I put my lashes on, it does two of both world, liner and glue. I think I bought two of these. You never have enough. Yeah, I bought two of those. And then this one is Merlot. This is another liner, lip liner. There. You know I like the dark, you know how I like the colors. So they all kind of look similar in the shades. But I love dark liners on my lips. I like it as an undertone. Look. See? That one. Oops. This one. You can tell where I'm going with this. And this one. This is Penny. See, Penny's more the brownish. See? So I got Sangria, Merlot, and Penny. I'm loving the Penny because it's more brown. So, yeah. Okay. So let me show you the shadows. Let me start with the big one first. Well, let me start with the small one. This one is the Nubian by Juvia. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's Nubian by Juvia. So let me open this one. I'm getting lipstick liner on here. Oh. And here's this color. See this? It came like this. Oop. Here we go, like that. And see the colors on there? I got lipstick. Okay. It's magnetized, see? And I'm loving these colors, look. It'll be nice colors on here. I gotta get my brushes. Oh, I had brushes. I'll show my brushes next time. I got some brushes from Sassy Jones. I'll show that in another video. This would have worked good with those colors. But isn't this pretty? Look at that. So I'm loving these shades. So this is the Nubian by Juvia. I haven't even used it yet. So that's one. Try not to get makeup all on me. Okay, here goes another one. This is Sassy Jones. Yeah, this is Sassy Jones Mohegan. And I think these are the blushes. These are the blushes. Okay, like this. Wow, look at these colors. There's Sedona, Primrose, and Mesa. Isn't this nice? I need a brush. Oh, look at the colors. Oh my gosh. That's nice, isn't it? Here's Primrose. Primrose is nice. And here's Mesa. Ooh, that Mesa is really nice. So you got Sedona, Primrose, Mesa. That's the blushes. And then here's Birthday Suit by Sassy Jones. And put my lipsticks right here. Right there. Look at the case with that one. Look at it here. Right there. And look at these colors. Isn't this nice? So you got apologetic, steadfast, abundant, lavish, audacity, appalling, delicate, remarkable, and enough. I'm liking these metallic colors. Look at this. These are really pretty colors. And it comes through good. I want to put this on and then I'll do a IG picture with these colors. It's just really pretty. So I like those. And then last but not least, this is my favorite right here. This is called The Warrior by Juvia. The Warrior by Juvia. Right there. The Warrior by Juvia. And let's open this one. And they got it wrapped up nice. Oh my gosh, look. This is really nice. Look at that. The Warrior by Juvia. Right there. Okay. And let me show you the colors. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the colors. They got Amina, Lydia, Mino, Ausi, Marimi, Kano, Dahomey, Bakwa, and Ben. If I'm pronouncing this wrong, I am so sorry. But isn't these colors pretty? I'm loving the whole case and everything. This is really pretty. Really pretty colors. So this is, I'm just loving everything that the haul that I got. Like I said, I like earth tone colors. I loved all the earth tones and everything. And that's just me. I just love earth tones. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And don't forget to stay positive. Click the notification button so you know when I'm live or when I'm doing a video or when I upload a video. Everyone have a super blessed day. Stay positive. And I love you all. Bye-bye. I'm going to bring this down.